Hey guys, so today my neighbor is doing some chopping, sawing, so you're gonna hear that in the background, but I didn't really care. There, Goosey. Anyway, I wanted to talk about something that was on my mind, and so I figured I might as well do it now while I'm thinking about it. But so we have winter is almost over, and so we're gonna have spring. And I got to thinking when I had these little kids about spring cleaning and how do you manage taking care of the house, you know, the toys and all of the things that your children play with, and maybe clothes like that they've outgrown, and maybe it's time to take out the spring and summer clothing out and they may not fit. There's a lot going on for parents at this time. We still probably have, I don't know, I'm looking out at my yard now and the grass is starting to green up, so the dormancy of the grass is starting to, you know, is ending, and so pretty soon we're gonna have, you know, spring's gonna be here. I know, you love me. And so anyway, but anyway, I thought about it. I was like, you know, your kids get older, doesn't get any easier. Their rooms are still mess, still, you know, gotta do the things, you know. One good thing though is that they do stop growing, somewhat, and so you're not having to buy clothes every 6 months or every year even. They kind of plateau, and they might start to fill out, or they might, you know, lose weight even, things like that. But as far as the main size that they are, it's going to be, especially shoes. Oh my gosh, shoes. That you don't have to worry as much about those either. But one of the things that is that will save you time and money is to go ahead and start looking through the clothes that your children have and the toys, okay? And one thing that I did do when my kids were little, okay, this dog drives me crazy, I'm putting her down. One of the things that I used to do was I would put away the toys that they wouldn't play with for a while, you know, and I would box them up, and then I would recycle them every other year. And it really worked. The toys that are like baby toys or toddler toys, I would probably, you know, I'm going to save those for future grandkids or maybe friends who have children that could use them when they come and visit. And so that's the kind of thing that I'll probably do with those. But for the most part, you can know that really worked out for me when they're little. And as for clothes, you know, bag up the stuff. You know, there's always clothes that you want to hold on to. Think twice about that, because styles change a lot. You don't realize how much they change. And by the time that your kids have kids, they may not want to use those clothes, and they might be yellowed, and, you know, unless you Ziploc them and wash them and take really, really good care to preserve them, they're not going to look that great by the time that your children have children. So anyway, I just wanted to offer you that little tidbit, because I know that springtime is coming up. It's around the corner. And I wanted you to, as the sounds of sawing are in the background, pretty soon it'll be lawnmowers, and pretty soon it'll be other sounds like birds and things. Although if you listen, you can hear the birds. Yeah, anyway. So, yeah, so don't wait till the last minute. Start doing your spring cleaning now, and start organizing your kids' stuff now, so that you're not stressed when it comes to your spring break or whatever, school ending, and you're having a little bit more time. You don't want to spend your spring break doing spring cleaning, trust me. All right, as always, good luck on your journey, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.